Hello student, I am SK Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL Grade. Today I am going to start the construction of quadrilaterals, second part of construction of quadrilaterals. When two sides and three angles are given. Just like question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 3.5 cm, BC 6.5, A 60, C 120 degree and D 75 degree. First we will draw a rough sketch. The rough sketch A, B, C, D. Here angle AB is of length 3.5 centimeter, BC is 6.5 centimeter, angle A is 60 degree, angle C is 120 degree and angle D is 75 degree. So for constructing it we must have angle B. So angle B is equal to, because we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle B is equal to 360 degree minus angle A plus angle C plus angle D. 360 degree minus 60 degree plus 120 degree plus 75 degree. 360 degree minus 180 is a 255 degree means 105 degree. So first we will draw either base is base as a AB and BC AB. We take here base AB of length 3.5 centimeter. AB of length 3.5 centimeter. AB of length 3.5 centimeter. At point A, making an angle of 60 degree, making angle 60 degree, and produced it. Now angle B. Angle B is 105 degree, making angle 105 degree at point B. At point B 105 to 60, another 60. Now this is 90, arc of 90 degree. This is the 60, arc of 60 and 30 90, and this 30 arc of 30 degree is divided into two equal parts. It will be 105 degree, 105 degree. Now BC is of length 6.5 centimeters, so cut BC as 6.5 centimeter. BC of length 6.5 centimeter. Here this is C, and at point C making angle of 120 degree, making angle of 120 degree. Angle 20 and produce this line. Now this one is D. Now next question is construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ 5 centimeter, QR. So first we draw a rough sketch. PQRS in which PQ 5 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, same as 75 degree, Q is 105 degree and R is 90 degree. So we take here first, so we need not the angle of S. So first we draw line segment PQ of length 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. PQ is of length 5 centimeter, making angle of 75 degree at point P. $60, another $60, $90, this one, and bisect this 60, because 60 plus 15 75, so this one is angle of 75 degree and produced it. At point Q making angle of 105 degree, so at point Q making angle of 105 degree for this 60, another 60, and bisect next 60, arc of 60, this one is the arc of 90 degree, arc of 90. Now this 30 is divided into two parts, then 90 plus 15 is equal to 105 degree, 105 degree, and produced it. Now QR is given 6 centimeter. QR is of length 6. Same question. 6 centimeter. QR is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. This is point R. Now at point R making angle of 90 degree. Making angle of 90 degree for this angle of 90 degree, 60. Angle of 90 degree. Now produce this line segment. This is point S. Thus PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Next question is a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to CD 5 centimeter and BC itna 4.5, B is itna C. This one is the when 3 sides and 2 angles are given. 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So first of all we will draw a rough sketch ABCD, a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. AB is 5 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, BC is 4.5 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, and angle C is 135 degree. So we will draw here BC. We will take here BC as base. So BC is of length 4.5 centimeter. We will take BC as a base of length 4.5 centimeter. So BC is base and whose length is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. BC. At point B making angle of 45 degree. So first we will draw an angle of 90 degree. Next 90 and then 45. So first we will take the arc of 90 degree. Now bisect arc of 90 degree. Now making angle of 135 degree at point C. 135 degree at point C. So 135 means 60, 60, and we take another 60 and bisect it. because it is more than 120 degree. So this shows here arc of 150 degree, because 60 plus 60 120, and this is the arc of 150 degree. To bisect this 30, then this is 15, and 120 plus 15 is equal to 135 degree. So draw here. Now given AB is of length 5 centimeter. So take here काहे घूमा length 5 centimeter AB 5 centimeter, ठीक है ना. Now CD is 5 centimeter also. CD is also 5 centimeter. CD is also 5 centimeter. D and join AD. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. 135 degree and 45 degree. Now next question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD 6.5, B 105 and C 75 degree. First we will draw a rough sketch. ABCD. ABCD is a rough sketch. ABCD, where AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, CD is 6.5 centimeter, angle B is 105 degree, and angle C 75 degree, and we can draw it. So we will take here BC as a base, because angle B and C both are given, so we take here BC as a base. So BC is of length 6 centimeter. BC is of length 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. BC is of length 6 centimeter, and at point B making angle of 105 degree. For this, 60 degree, another 60, bisect it, then this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now next, this 90 is divided to two parts. This is 105 degree. Now AB is of length 5 centimeter. AB is of length 5 centimeter. AB is of length 5 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter. Now CD is of length at point C making angle of 75 degree. At point C making angle of 75 degree. 60, another 60, bisect. This one is 90, arc of 90. This 30 is divided into two equal parts. So this is angle of 75 degree. Now CD is of length 6.5 centimeter. CD is of length 6.5 centimeter. CD is of length 6.5 centimeter. Cut it and join AD. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral, and the CD is 6.5 centimeter. This is 75 degree. This is 105 degree. Thus ABCD. Thank you, children.